Coverage you can count on continues with Glenn Marini's Sports 15 report.
It is Leap Day, but most Comets fans would have liked to skip over February 17th instead. That's when a brawl broke out at the Coliseum, and while it earned the Comets some retribution perhaps against their rival Bloomington, it also cost Nick Boucher a 4-game suspension. Comets back in the Summit City for the first time since that fight. Boucher not in goal tonight. Instead, it was Jerry Festa. Pick it up in the third period. 2-1 Comets. Omar Paca with the power play goal, and that would tie it at 2. Now, less than a minute later, Blaze on the attack. Jordy Trottier, who actually was in camp with the Comets, makes it 3-2 Blaze. 4 minutes left in the third, though. Comets the equalizer. Leo Thomas knots it at 3, and we go to overtime in OT. No Tom Cruise, but this is risky business. Chris Auger to J.M. Risk. Yeah, they say it went in before it was knocked out, and the Comets, they win in overtime for the second night in a row. J.M. Risk, your game winner, 4-3. They play at Quad City on Friday night.